Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is going to be a tutorial on this Halloween makeup look. Obviously I'm a clown, hopefully you can tell that. I hope you like this look. I think it looks really cool. I think there are some things that I could have improved on and done a bit better. I think it looks quite cool. So I hope you enjoy and find it helpful. Let me know down below what you're going for, what you're going as for Halloween this year. This look is super easy, so let me know down below if you try out this look, and hopefully you have a really lovely Halloween, and I will see you in my next video. So I didn't know whether to go for something like this. I don't even know what this would be for Halloween, but I was like looking at Pinterest and I was looking at these. So if you want me to do this one, then let me know in the comments, because I'm not doing this one. I'm going to be going for one that I did a couple of years ago. I think it was year 1 uni, which is like this sort of clown kind of vibe. So yes, stuff like this is my inspiration, hence the space buns, which I think they need a little bit more of sorting, like if I was to actually wear these out. So I'm looking at the pictures and I'm thinking that I can actually do the base makeup first. The base is quite normal for the one that I'm going to be copying. So I'm just going to go in with my normal foundation, which is the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation in the shade Porcelain. If I'm looking over here, by the way, it's because the mirror is that way. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm gonna conceal everywhere, like under my eyes spots and also on my eyelids, because we're gonna be putting eyeshadow on there. Sometimes I'll do my eyebrows first, because then I can like conceal under my eyebrows. So like say I had my eyebrows done now, I could then conceal like sharply underneath them. However, it's not gonna work today because the eyebrows that I'm gonna be doing are gonna be quite dark. So I wanted to do the base first so that I'm not having to go around the eyebrows when they're like quite dark, if that makes sense. To set this, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm going in with my mini puff from Trugwell Cosmetics to set under my eyes. It is incredible, absolutely incredible. This little thing. Watch this. And press it underneath the eye. Can you see how smooth that makes it? Like, I actually cannot get over it. I also put this on my nose because this is a really oily point on my face of mine, and I put it under my, no, not under my chin, on my chin. And for good luck, I put this on my forehead too. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with a very heavy bronzer. I'm going to be going for more these two pictures rather than this one. This one's very red and like a bit too cartoony looking for me. Because when I wear my Halloween makeup, I still like it to look quite nice rather than being really scary. I'm gonna bronze, and I'm gonna really heavily bronze. I'm going in with the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Medium. Oh no, I forgot I have a cup of tea. That's okay. It's still warm. I cannot stand that when I leave a cup of tea and then it goes all lukewarm. It's disgusting. I just love doing makeup. Like, there's something about it that just makes me in like that flow state where I just completely zone out and don't think about anything else, which is like really nice. It's kind of like a, I guess like a bit of a meditation experience, because I'm very present. I'm not really like in my head. Okay, wow, I'm looking very bronzed, but this is the look we're going for, okay? Just stick with me. I'm now gonna contour. I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer contour thing. I'm now just taking the same Huda powder, and I'm gonna bake. Then what I'm going to do to take the bake off is use my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade 003 Peach Glow. I'm just going to get a bit of that on my brush and then brush off the baking powder. Baking powder? Would you call it baking powder? I mean, no, not really, because it's not, I don't even know what I'm on about. For brows, I'm going to be going in with a pencil for once rather than just gel, and I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, I think. I'm going to bring you in a bit now. Are you coming in? Yeah. Oh, wow. I haven't used the zoom yet on this camera. Was that okay? They do need plucking and dyeing, I think, so actually probably shouldn't have zoomed you in. But, don't judge, please. What's everyone going as for Halloween this year? I'm going as a pirate with two of my friends. So I've kind of got like a white puffy dress and then a black corset, and then I'm gonna wear like either my Docs or just some chunky boots, and then we've all got like a pirate hat as well to wear. Oh my god, I actually miss these eyebrows. Like, I don't do this anymore, but I might be returning this eyebrow. I quite like her. I'm now going in with a little bit of brow gel, and I'm going to use the By Caitlin Collection brow gel. I think I'm just going to use like the remainder that's on my brush, to be honest, because I don't want a lot, yet I want the brows to kind of stay in place. Okay, I'm excited now all the boring bits are over. Now we actually get to start the Halloween makeup. So I'm going to go in first with a pinky shade, and I'm going in first with the palette from Urban Decay called Born to Run, and I'm going in with the shade Still Shot, just on a big fluffy brush, and we're going to put this in my crease as the transition shade. What's everyone's like favourite bit of makeup? Mine would definitely be the eyes and the eyeshadow. I don't like the boring stuff that you do the same every day. Maybe everybody else is like that as well, but I can't stand just doing like the base and eyebrows, because that's just stuff that we do every day. Like, it gets boring. I love working on like a fresh base of eyes, like to just create from. I don't know, maybe that's just me. And then going in with the shade Badger, B-A-J-A, which is a bright orange. It's like a bright burnt orange, and I'm gonna go quite heavy-handed on this because in the picture she has really orange eyes and it looks great. Wow, that is very orange. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a kind of like a brush with nothing on it, just to blend that out a bit more. I'm gonna now go in with a really dark brown, or shall I go in with a lighter brown first? No, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go in with a bit more like a tapered brush to get into the crease. But this shade is also actually going on the lid as well, so this is going into the crease. I'm gonna stay on the outer V of this. I don't know if she has, but I'm gonna keep to the outer V for this dark shade, so don't go like over here. I'm going to stick to this side, and I'm going to put it here and also on the lid. Wow, she do be dramatic. Now that dark shade is blended in, I am going to go in with a bit of black Now, I know that that's a very scary concept to some people, but it's okay if you just get it on. I'm going to get it on this little small angled brush. And so I'm going in with the shade Jet, taking the tiniest little bit, like barely even touching the palette, and then we're just going to pack it onto the lid. Yeah, that's better. It needed a little bit more depth. I'm going to put it a tiny bit in the outer V as well, just over here, and then blend it out with the brush that we used for the brown. Now I'm going to move on to underneath the eyes, which is exactly the same. I'm going to go in with orange first. Okay, I'm then going to take a fluffy brush and blend that out a little bit more. I'm going to go in with a smaller flat brush, and I'm going to go in with the black. Okay, this is really coming together now. What I'm gonna go in with now is glitter. We're gonna use some glitter because she's used glitter on her inner corners. I don't know if you can see, but it looks great. So I'm gonna do the same. NYX ones are actual glitter, like they're full on glittery. Whereas then the MAC ones are pigments, so they're a bit less glittery. I feel like this gold would look really, really cute, but then I don't know if that's going to be bright enough. I think the white's going to be too bright. The pink glitter could look cute. I think the holographic will also be a bit too bright. So she has done a gold. I might go for this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the orange. So I'm gonna go in first with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna go in with a little flat brush somewhere. Tiny little flat brush. Oh my god, I haven't used this in so long. Look at her. Ah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Maybe I should actually do this for Halloween. I'm like quite sad that I'm not doing that now. Okay, getting a bit of the primer. I'm just gonna pop this where I want it, which is here. Oh, that was too much. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna have to put it on the side too. It's okay. Picture. Right, she did underneath and up a little bit. And then you just want to press it until it gets like tacky. Dip your brush into the pigment and then press it on. Oh my god. I don't know if this was a bad decision. Wow. Oh my god, I think I love it. It needs to, I need to just work on getting this a little bit less dramatic, but I can see the vision, I can see it's gonna look good. Brush with nothing on and blend the edges. I just put like a bit of excess on my nose and I feel like she looks cute. I don't know if I like the orange. I think it will look nice when it all comes together. Right now it looks a bit dramatic, but once like the rest of the makeup is dramatic too, it'll be fine. I'm going to be applying lashes, but I'm going to put those on at the end. So I'm just putting a coat of mascara on for now. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some highlighter. I'm just going to go in with the MUA Makeup Academy Shimmer Powder Highlighter in the shade Pink Shimmer. I feel like this look is coming together now. Okay, now I'm going to put some of the highlighter underneath my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do first is go in with quite a dark red shade from a NYX Ultimate palette. I'll eventually go in with black eyeliner to make it look dark, but first to sculpt out the shape, I'm going to go in with a red shade first. And I think I'm going to go above the brows first, so it's kind of like a little point. And start here. Ah, I'm scared now. Okay, this also goes through the eyes and down. She's going from here. Like that. I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I should have started the bit above my eyebrows a little bit further in. I think I've done them a bit too far out, but never mind. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a darker shade. I'm going to go in with the shade Run before we go in with the eyeliner, and I'm just going to darken these up. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is go in with a blending brush with the orange on, and I'm just gonna blend these out a little bit. Okay, and now it's time for black. I think I'm going to go in with the black shadow before eyeliner. I don't know whether to go in with eyeliner or not. I feel like if I go in with eyeliner, it's going to be too black. So I think I'm going to leave it at this. So now I'm going to put some lashes on. These, which are from TK Maxx. They are W7 lashes, and I'm just going to go in with Eyelure Glue. Lashes are on, and now I'm going to add a little bit of a dot on my nose. So I'm going in first with Run. And then I'm going to take that red shade and apply some of that as well. Wow. Now it's time for lips, and I'm gonna go in with, there's either MAC in the shade Antique Velvet, which is like a really dark plum, which I think I am gonna use, or then I have a liquid lipstick which is like a brown, so maybe I could use this to draw the, yeah, okay, so I'm gonna use this with, yes, I do have it, so I'm gonna go in with this really small brush and the liquid lipstick to draw on the edge of the lips, you know, like the smile lines, if that makes sense. Okay, I can see this working, bear with me. I'm now going to go in with the black eyeshadow. Okay, this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. I think I've done an okay job. I could have done it better. and I think I did it better before, to be honest. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. And have a good Halloween. Bye!